We have a project that was motivated by all of this training of drones called Viper, which is the virtual image processing environment for research. Let's say we're building a drone control system where the objective is for the drone to learn not to crash into things. We can let the drone crash 10,000 times so that it learns how not to crash. Doing that in the real physical world has some negative consequences. You end up with 10,000 drone carcasses. If you've seen the movie The Matrix, you know that Neo goes into this dojo and learns how to be a kung fu artist. But the training was sort of simulated. He woke up and he says, I know how to do kung fu. Imagine doing the same thing for apps. If we could take the structural component of an app and provide it with virtual training in an environment that's photorealistic, where the physics in the environment is like the physics that we know of, and we can do it faster than real time, then we have the ability to train this structural component to do light pole recognition, to inspect factories, or to look for traffic jams or what have you. And that's the idea of Viper. So we've taken a drone control program, simulator, and a photorealistic image rendering and a game engine, actually. And we put them together into a system that allows us to fly the drone in simulation, see what the drone sees in real time, or even faster than real time, so we can have a virtual camera that sits on the virtual drone in the virtual environment that feeds a virtual video to this program that needs to be trained. And we can do the same kind of training in this virtual world that I just described doing in the real physical world. So we're looking for ways to do exactly that. By doing the drone research, we're learning about how we can distribute computation but put a significant amount of intelligence in the drone and minimize its communication. Please tell me when you see this object. And in the future, we might do that with a sensor that's in the city. Same programming environment, and we take the drone idea today, trickle-down technology, finds its way into the smart city tomorrow.